Hello, guys. My name is Ali. Today, I want to talk about what would it cost to have life, what's it called, final expense policy, and including for grandchildren. The policy is actually very inexpensive, and it provides. If you guys look over here, the example that I have is a female, lives in Louisiana, non-tobacco user. The plan starts immediately, which means as soon as the payment is made, you are covered. And her age is 61. Okay, so her coverage is $10,000. What I did, I added $10,000 for accident. Okay, so in the event she does die of an accident, she'll get paid 20,000. She'll get paid this 10,000, which is her coverage amount, her face value, or death benefit, whatever you want to call it. And she also get paid the accidental amount, which is 10 plus 10 equals 20. But the best part about it, listen to this, guys. So here's the illustration of the policy. I'm going to come back and I'll get back here. I'll explain this here in a minute. This is a whole life policy, and what we did, we added 4 grandchildren, okay, and each child gets $10,000, which is really, really nice. And I also added a nursing home premium waiver. So it means if she ever had to go to a nursing home, I'll explain that here in a minute. Actually, let me read that here. Nursing home waiver, a premium rider, provides that the company will waive the annual premium of $595.90, which becomes due during the insured. Let me make this a little bigger because I can't see anything here. Okay, you do that? Oh, magnifier. Anyway, so, oops. Hang on a second. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Oh. No, I don't want to do that. All I want to do is just turn this up. That's Windows magnifier. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to go off rails here. But anyway, so we added nursing home premium waiver, which means if she's confined to a nursing home for 90 days, she no longer have to make this annual premium of $595. Okay, which is really, really nice. Basically, the policy will be paid for. Or actually, she doesn't have to make the payment until she's out of the nursing home. Okay, and this policy will also allow you to add child riders. This rider here, the word rider just refers to other additional benefits. So the policies for the 61-year-old female, and she added additional benefits, which is 4 grandchildren at $10,000 each. So she gets $10,000 upon death. If she dies of an accident, she gets an additional 10, which means she gets $20,000. And if she does die tomorrow, her grandchildren know that their policy will be active until age of 21, and they never have to make payment until they turn into a whole life into a permanent policy, whole life policy. Okay, but look at the price, guys. This is only $52. $52. I mean, we're insuring 5 people here. Everybody gets 10,000, and the grandchildren each get 10,000, and she gets 20,000. So we're talking 20,000 here, and we got another 40,000 here. That's $60,000 policy for $50. That's really, really nice policy, and it's so inexpensive, and it starts immediately. Plan immediate, non-tobacco user. But anyway, if we come back here and look at the it's called Senior's Choice Ledger by American Amicable. So if we got over here age 61, non-tobacco user, coverage is $10,000, and monthly payment is $52.44, which is annually comes out to be $629.28. That's how much the insured or the client has to pay. But as you guys can see over here, the payment after age 101, I don't know if anybody's going to live that long, but the payments drop over here. And what's really great about this policy too, it accumulate cash. So as you guys can see here, guaranteed cash value. You're building all this cash value over here, and you can have access to this cash value anytime you need. At year number 1, you don't get much. Year number 2, very little, and it kind of builds on as you go. Okay. I hope all this makes sense, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. So the way basically this works is I want you to contact me on the number that I'm going to put on the screen, which is, hang on a second, let me put it on there for a second here. Let me pull my number up. This way, if you guys have any questions, you can always contact me. Where is my phone number? Give me a second here. Let me pull up a Word document that's going to have that on there. And if you guys have any questions, you can always call me or text me, whatever you want to do. And also, there's a form in there. If you guys wanted to fill out the form, and I will get notified. And as soon as I get that form, I'll get back with you as soon as possible. Okay. But I want you guys look at that policy. That policy is incredible. We're covering a client for $20,000. We're covering 4 grandchildren for $10,000 each, and all that is only $52. That's incredible, right? Let me pull up this. I hate not being prepared. Sorry about that, guys. Give me 1 second here. I'm trying to do things properly here. Give me a second, so everything looks good and easy to understand. Let me copy this, copy that. That here. All right, let me put this here. Boom. All right. So what I want you guys to do, if you have any questions, please look at this phone number here. That's my phone number. You can text me. That's an office number. We can only get a text to that. But please text me. Just text the number 1 or 1 life, whatever you say, whatever you want to say on there. Or you can go on there and fill out this form right here. Let me try to make it a little bigger. Okay, let me go plus. Oh, you can't do that here. It doesn't matter. But anyway, it's, you can text me. You can text the number 1 to 330-577-3496, and I will get back to you immediately. Or if you like, you can fill out this form here, and I will also get notified for the form. All the, you know what, let me pull up the form too. This way you guys have a good idea on what it looks like. Because you don't have to fill out all the information on the form. It's just a simple form, but you don't have to fill out everything that's on there. Some of it is required, some of it is not. Let me go ahead and close that. Let me open up, let me go here. Let me go, I don't have any browsers open. Okay, let me click right here. Let's put this on a browser. I'll be right back. Let me put this over here. There. Okay. Okay, so when you guys go to the form, when you click on the form, it's going to take you to this link right here. And all you have to do is just put in full name, phone number, date of birth, zip code, email. Anything with the little red star on the side here is required. So the name is required, phone number is required, date of birth, you don't have to put that in there, it's not required. Zip code is required, just to make sure that I'm actually able to do business in that state. Email address is required. Over here, just marital status, single, married, divorced, separated, widows, NA, that's required. U.S. citizen, you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about it. Occupation, you don't have to worry about it. What are you looking for here? You can, if you know, you can just click on one of these, select what you're looking for, income protection, mortgage protection, whatever it is that you're looking for, but that's not required. Income not required. Do you have life insurance? That's yes or no question. You can answer it, but it's not required. All you have to do is just hit submit, and I will get notified and get back to you right away. Anyway, so going back to what we're doing over here, I know I went off on tangents, but what I'm going to do here, I'm going to play these here. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to play each one. I'm going to have the I'm going to have it read out loud to us, and I will explain to you what each which each section means. Okay, so first part over here, I'm going to go ahead and play that real quick. That's senior choice. Let's go ahead.
The Senior Choice Immediate Death Benefit Plan is a whole life policy with level death benefit of 100% of face amount payable upon the primary insured's death prior to maturity. Key features.
Okay, so what this is saying basically, if when the insured dies, they'll get the $10,000. But in this particular policy, I added an accidental rider here. I'm sorry, right here. Accidental rider, which means when an insured dies, they'll get the coverage amount along with if they. I'm sorry. Let me say that again. If they die into if the cause of the death is an accident, they'll get the $10,000 for coverage amount, and they'll also get additional $10,000 for it being in an accident. So they collect actually $20,000 if this is the cause of the death. Over here, it's saying when the insured dies, they'll get 100% of the face amount. And the face amount that we have here is $10,000. Okay. Now, terminal illness. This rider is actually added on there for free at no additional charge. I'm going to go ahead and have it read to us, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it means.
Terminal Illness Accelerated Benefit Rider provides that if the insured is certified as being terminally ill, we will advance to the owner, if so elected, up to 100% of the insured's base death benefit, less administrative charges.
Okay, what this basically saying is, if the insured become terminally ill, there's a thing called living benefits, and that's what this is. It's a terminal illness living benefit. What it does, accelerates the benefit rider. It accelerates the benefits, which means the insured have 100% access to his death benefit while he's alive, he or she alive. Okay, so that's what it. So basically, all it's saying is, if you become terminally ill, you can access this money while you're still alive. Your $10,000. Okay, and that amount, by the way, it's adjustable. I made this policy very simple because my client that I spoke to, she was only concerned about getting her grandchildren protected, and this is costing her $2 a month per grandchild to cover them for $10,000 each. $2 a month for $10,000 policy on each grandchild. All right, so now let's go accelerated confined. Let's go ahead, because I did add that on a policy. It's really inexpensive. Let's go ahead and see what that says.
Accelerated Benefit Confined Care Rider provides an accelerated monthly benefit if permanently confined to a skilled nursing facility.
Okay, so I added this rider is, you see right here, nursing home premium waiver. I put a yes on here, which means that rider is added onto the policy, which simply means in the event you are confined to a nursing home, you no longer have to make your monthly payments. It waives the monthly premium and you don't make any more payments, which is really, really nice rider to have also. All right, now let's read nursing home waiver of premium.
Nursing Home Waiver of Premium Rider provides that the company will waive the annual premium of $595.90, which becomes due during the insured's confinement in a qualified nursing home as defined in the rider. The insured must be confined continuously for a waiting period of 90 consecutive days before any benefits are applicable. Benefits are not retroactive and policy premiums must continue to be paid during the waiting period. Confinement means the insured receives care for at least 90 consecutive days in a nursing home, and the care is recommended by a physician due to the insured's inability to care for himself/herself. The annual premium for this is $11.40 and is payable to the earlier of the benefit date and maturity.
Okay, so what this is basically saying over here is, if the insured happen to go out to a nursing home, their annual premium of $595, they don't have to pay as long as they're in there for 90. Wait a minute. Let me explain this here properly. Provides that the company will waive the annual premium, which means if you go to a nursing home, you will not have to pay your annual premium, which is what you pay in the whole year, $595, which becomes due during the insured confinement in a qualified nursing home as defined in the rider. The insured must be confined continuously for a waiting period of 90 consecutive days before the benefits are applicable. So basically, if you're in a nursing home for 90 days consecutively, your benefits will kick in automatically, and you no longer have to make this monthly or annual premium. Your premium will be paid for because you do have that rider. And this having that rider on there, that waiver of premium rider, it's only costing you $11.40, which is really, really nice. Over here, you got accidental death. That's what I was telling you guys about. In the event that you pays an additional $10,000 to the beneficiary if the insured dies as a result of an accident. The annual premium is $30. So basically, for $30 a year, okay, annual premium, you pay $30 a year, and that gives you additional $10,000 of coverage. And if the insured dies of an accident, in the result of an accident, you will get your death benefit, which is $10,000, and the beneficiary will get the death benefit of $10,000, and they'll also get additional $10,000 because we have that accidental death benefit added on there. What else we got here? Grandchild rider. That's what makes this policy really, really interesting. The child rider, which is really nice, provides a level term protection on your 4 grandchildren. That's what I did. I added 4 grandchildren, age 16 until age of 21. under age 16. Hold on, let me play that. Child rider right here. Let me go ahead and play that. I'm going to play both the accidental and the child rider so we can listen to both of them, and I can comment on it after I'm done. After they're done.
Accidental death benefit pays an additional $10,000 to the beneficiary if the insured dies as the result of an accident. The annual premium is $30. Grandchild Rider provides level term protection on your 4 grandchildren under age 16 until they reach age 21. Each grandchild will have $10,000 in level term death benefit. This rider is paid up on death of primary insured. The annual premium for this rider is $96.
Okay, so basically each grandchild, as long as they're under the age of 16, they are covered for $10,000, and the coverage continues up to age 21. And when they turn 21, they can convert it into a whole life policy. And if the insured dies, the 4 grandchildren do not have to make any more payments, and they will be covered up to age 21. And it only costs $96 a year to have these 4 children added onto the policy. I have to read this last part, it's really important. This presentation assumes that each grandchild is 180 days old. The minimum issue age, it means they have to be 180 days old in order for this policy to be issued. And thus, the grandchild rider expires in year 21, which means when they turn 21, the policy expires. However, the premium will actually reduce on the policy anniversary nearest each child's 21st birthday. So, which means when they get closer to 21, the benefits will be reduced down. All products and riders are not available for all companies in all states. Please check with your home office. Blah blah blah. Anyway, so all it's saying over here is you have to make sure that that rider is available in your state. But again, if we go back, let me make this a little smaller here. Whoops, wrong button here. Okay, so basically all we got here is a 61-year-old female grandmother that has four grandchildren. She gets $10,000. They each get $10,000. I added the waiver of premium. If she ever goes to a nursing home, she'll never have to make any more payment onto the policy. And I also added the accidental rider, which means in the event she dies of an accident, our beneficiaries will collect the $10,000 here and the $10,000 here. So the beneficiaries will collect $20,000, and they no longer going to have to make payment onto their policies until they turn 21. This policy is absolutely incredible. If you guys are interested, please contact me on the number that I put on the screen, and I'll do it again right now. Give me 1 second here, and I'll be able to get you. This is really, it's a one-page policy. It's very simple to do. It's very quick. It's all done over the phone. It doesn't take that long at all. You guys call me now, and I will get you started. I have to shop around and see what carrier will approve you. The thing that I tell all my clients, you want to get insurance before the house burns down. You don't want to wait till you get sick and have all kind of pre-existing condition and then apply for a policy, because this policy will cost you so much less when you're young and healthy. But when you get older, the premium is going to quadruple or sometimes even 10x. But anyway, text me at 330-577-3496, and I'll be more than happy to get back with you right away and help you with this policy. Also, you can fill out this form that I just showed you guys. Here's the link to it. Insurance form 44224. Go to that link and fill it out, and I'll be more than happy to get you covered. Anyway, let me make this a little bigger here so you guys can see me. I have my morning hair, so I'm not going to make it too big because I don't want to embarrass myself. I'm still like in my morning, I'm still got my coffee and my morning thing, but anyway guys, listen to me. This policy is really, when you call me or when I call you, what we're going to do, I'm going to shop around all the major carriers, the A+ rated carriers or companies. I'm going to shop around the best company and see which one's going to cover you, and you tell me what price you want to pay, and I will set the policy based on that. If you want to pay 50, you can. If you want to pay 70, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, however, whatever, you set the price, and I'll shop around and I'll find an insurance company that will qualify you or insure you or accept it to you know what I mean, depending on your health condition. If you're a healthy person and you don't take any medication, that's considered a preferred client, which means the policy will get approved immediately. But if you do have some previous health issues, whether it's critical, chronic, or whatever the situation may be, blood pressure, if you're taking medication for high blood pressure or diabetes, or so we have to kind of look around and see which insurance company will is willing to insure you or give you a life a life insurance policy. I hope this video helped you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'd love to hear a thought-provoking conversation from you guys. Leave all your comments below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. You have my phone number on there. Text me, fill out the form, whichever way you want to do it, and I'll get back with you soon. Thank you so much, and best of luck, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.